Are you listing your home soon? As a seller, you will be making very important decisions, including how much home access to give potential buyers. Brandi Adkins here, your Austin real estate connection, and we want you to know when marketing your home for sale, it is one of the most important parts of the listing process, which is allowing buyers to see your property. Now, as a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your home to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase. Of course, as a seller, you will want as much balance between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. Now, the best practice is to schedule either open houses or private showings with your real estate agent who can vet potential buyers to make for sure that they are serious about purchasing, not just tire kickers. Other ways of accessing include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers by appointment only or limited access, meaning only on certain days and times that you approve. Ultimately, the level of access that you want to provide buyers is a personal decision. It will depend on your individual circumstances and your preferences. But if you want to maximize the sale of your house, you can't limit potential buyers' access too much. If your home is not accessible, it could cost you by sitting on the market longer. It is always best to discuss with your real estate agent your concerns so they can map out a strategy that's going to work best for you. You can contact my team and I today, and we can help you strategize the sale of your home, and we can guide you through every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home, your largest investment.